So today is CPI, guys, and we smashed the whooping 290 pips on gold, trading with the mentorship and then the XNES free VIP group. So if you use XNES, this is a very good news for you, right? If you have an active XNES trading account, do want to message me at Abatrace on Instagram or on Telegram to join my live trading sessions. I do this almost every single day with the mentorship and the free XNES VIP group. But then the purpose of this video is to show you how we smash CPI. Very easy setup using the 1 minute time frame, right? So let's just head over to the chart and let me show you how we caught this simple trade using the 1 minute. So before CPI, we had this tweezer top. You know how much I love tweezers. Tweezers are like my favorite candlesticks. You can call me the tweezer mother, right? I like tweezers so much. So that's a tweezer top candlestick. I didn't know whether it was a top or a bottom because it was formed at a support. So getting close to the news, we had this tweezer candlestick forming. Now mind you, when these candles are forming, you will never know until you have that secret understanding, which is getting a candle closing below the tweezer. So right before the news, we had a candle which closed just below the tweezer. That's the candle, this candle right here, okay? But we had already bought from here before the news. We had bought from this support here all the way here about 65 pips, almost 70 pips, right? So we bought and then we took some profits off the trade. Now getting to CPI and seeing this tweezer, I told those I was live trading, which is the XNES VIP group and my mentorship, that there's a likelihood that gold will drop, okay? And already when we checked the outcome of the news, it was positive for USD. So there was the likelihood that once the news was released, gold was going to drop. And then this tweezer top plus this candle closing below it was giving us a confirmation. But then if market is dropping and you miss the entry, where are you going to buy from? That is the question I always ask myself, right? Because you're always looking at getting a trade. If you've already missed a sell entry, you don't have to join to sell from anywhere. The next thing is, where can I buy from? Where's the next support? Where can I buy from, right? So I identified the zone here, which was the support here. You can see price broke out of this small resistance, a very small resistance, right? You can see it here. This candle broke out of this small resistance here, this big candle. And ideally, okay, we are supposed to get some sort of retest. Now, based on the strategy that I used to trade gold, this area gave us extra confluence, right? There's a very small area here which gave me extra confluence that market was going to shoot up. And then the basic one that you need to understand is that market broke out, simple break and retest, right? So we're expecting market to retest this zone. So you can just do something like a breakout, which is this, okay? This candle broke out. So let me just indicate breakout so that you can understand everything well. I don't like to do scanty analysis, trust me. So breakout, and then we are looking for what? A retest, which is this market coming down. We are looking for a retest into this zone here. You get it? And also, based on my gold strategy, there was an extra confluence here for us to enter the trade. So this is what we were expecting, right? Let me move to the 15 minutes time frame. Now let me remove this gray box here because this wasn't the zone we're looking at. We were looking at the blue zone, this blue zone below, right? But then let's check the 1 minute time frame because that is why I took my entry from for this almost 300 pips move. So let's move to the 1 minute. Now still keep in mind that we're looking at buying from this zone because I mean we had a tweezer on the 45 minutes and then we knew market was going to come down, so we didn't want to buy, right? So we're patiently waiting for this zone right here and let's see what happens when market got there. So the news was released, immediately price started coming down and then tapped our zone. Now at this point, it was just few pips. This was about, I think, 6 pips. Yes, about 7 pips for price to tap our zone, then price left us. So at this point, what do you do as a trader? I'm sure many people will start running after the market. Oh, we missed the trade, we missed the trade. But then there's always a way to relax and then wait for an entry. So that's exactly what we did. There was an M1 resistance that was beginning to form, right? But then I was monitoring it closely. So at this point, an M1 resistance was beginning to form. So I took a horizontal line too and then marked this area right here. Because this was a resistance, obviously you can see the bodies, right? The bodies keep on rejecting here. So then my whole purpose was if price is able to break and close above that resistance and then come back for a retest, then we will take the trade, right? So let's see what happens because we already missed our zone from down here. Market still kept on forming a resistance there. And then suddenly we had price closing above the resistance. Now at this point, my whole purpose was if price has broken out of this resistance point here, just on this candle going up to, I have my confluence with the strategy I teach on gold, also matching with the break and retest. So let's say we have something like this, like a simple breakout and retest, right? So then took our long position too, or I took my long position too, and then replaced it just at where I drew the red line, with SL being 45 pips, and then our take profit was, let me go to the 15 minutes. Our take profit was somewhere at this zone, right? It was in this zone. So let's go back to the 1 minute because that's why I took the trade from simple 1 minute break and retest, right? So let's see what happens. Now price comes back into the zone and they retest it, right? So This was where we entered from. Price just took us into a little bit of drawdown. Think about, this is about 19 pips drawdown, right? And then we started having a push up into the zone. I was very sure this market was going to buy, so let's see what happened. Price started pushing up, and then let's move to the 5 minutes. On the 5 minutes time frame, from this level here, I gave a new re-entry, right? So even if you missed down here, with those who joined the call late, I gave a new entry here where you could also enter from. So price just tapped all the way to the upside there. At the moment, we are running close to 250 pips, but let's see where markets pushed to eventually. And then finally, market pushed to 280 pips. But then mind you, our main entry was down here. So if price had tapped our zone here and then pushed up, we would have made close to 330 pips, right? So if you miss a trade, there's always a way to get re-entry, no matter what. Don't chase the market. Once you miss the trade, re-entry is going to come if you have the right knowledge. That's why I'm advising most of you to join mentorship programs so that you learn some of these entry strategies, right? You may not understand some of these things fully on YouTube unless you have a mentor who's going to take you through. That's exactly how we smashed 290 pips on gold during CPI. And this made so much money for many people. Myself, you can see my profits on the screen, right? So much money being made today. Now, if you want to get access to live trade with me and to join some of these trading sessions, very effective one, right? It's not those kind of groups that you join and they'll be saying, stop playing, stop playing. Just 20 pips and they're shouting, stop playing everywhere. This is a very effective group that is also going to help you grow your account and also see how I'm trading live, right? But keep in mind, you need to be an active XNET trader before you get access to some of these live trading sessions with me. So guys, that's going to be all for today. This video was meant to be a very short one, just to show you how we smashed 290 pips on gold and running, right? It's still running on CPI just by using the 1 minute time frame. And if you're interested in the mentorship, please do want to join my mentorship program. It's starting on the 1st of March. Find the details on the screen. You're going to get the opportunity to live trade with me. You're going to get my risk management strategies. You're going to get how to trade prop firms. You're also going to learn my secret gold strategy, right? I have a secret strategy that I don't teach anywhere aside teaching my mentees. So you get access to that also. You're also going to understand how to analyze the market using fundamental analysis and technical analysis. And you're also using market structure and price action without even you needing my help or needing any signal from me. I have many mentees like that who trade on their own without needing signals from me. They actually come up with setups which are close to mine, right? So if you want to join the mentorship, please do want to join this class. You're not going to waste money, I'm telling you the truth. If you've heard many people talking about how they lost money through this mentorship or through that mentorship, my mentorship is different. I'm telling you the truth. It's very different, right? So do want to join the mentorship, find the details on the screen. And if you're interested, message me at Abatrace on Instagram or on Telegram, and then I'll respond to you about the enrollment details, okay? That'll be all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button for me, okay? Hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video, and then leave me a comment. That'll be all for today. It's Abatrace right here, and peace out. I'm very happy today.